In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover or retrieve all your login details for any app in your phone, your email or password. Okay, for any app in your phone. I'm actually using an Android phone. So if you want to retrieve, maybe you have forgotten any login details for any app on your phone, you can't remember the password or you can't remember the email you used. So what you need to do is just to go to the settings of your phone, click on settings, okay, at the top right. Once you open your settings, you go straight down, scroll down to Google, okay, then click on manage your Google account. Then you scroll down to search Google account. Here you have to look for manage password or password manager. You open your password manager. Here you can find all the apps that are installed on your phone. Here are all the apps that are installed on your phone. So the one you have forgotten the password or the login details, you will just have to click on it, enter my PIN. Then once you open your phone, you can see all the emails that I've used, and copy the password. You can copy this way. I've already copied this. So if I want to log into this very site again, I could just go to the site and use those details. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.